All right, November 30th, and took a couple trades today. Not very good, not going to lie, but lots to learn from today. So not too upset because I can take away a lot of stuff from these bad trades, which I'm gonna go over. So MES, we started off kind of chopping a lot. So 15-minute range, bigger 15-minute range, kind of like, what is it, 15 points about? So pretty big. And we were just kind of chopping in it for about an hour, hour and a half. Actually, I guess almost 2 hours. So it wasn't looking good in the morning, but you see, this is MES, and I mean, we opened up in the morning, and obviously we formed the 15-minute range, had this one leg down, pulled back, and then coming down for the second leg, we kind of double top or double bottomed right here, which is at the bottom of the 15-minute range. And I'm gonna say this now, but the 15-minute range on TradingView and NinjaTrader are different. So the range, the bottom of the range for ES on TradingView is 45, 44, and then on here it's actually 45, 43, 25, just because this candle is 743. I don't know why NinjaTrader's like this. It just, a couple things are off, so I'm gonna change it to 45, 44. So yeah, we kind of double bottom out this 15-minute range, but on NQ, see, I did take one trade just because here's the first time we touched the bottom of the range on MES, and then the second time right here at 805, it's when we broke through and we're coming up to retest it. But honestly, I don't know if I was really thinking. I was just kind of trying to play the retest. I noticed that we double bottomed on MES, but after we hit this pullback, came down to not make a new low and double bottom, I don't know, I wasn't really confident that we were going to come down, but I took the retest on NQ anyways, which, I mean, meh, it was low probability, but I still took it. Got stopped out, so, I mean, it was an okay trade. I mean, looking back, I'd probably be hesitant to take it again. But after taking this one and losing this one, I missed this retest right after it because, I mean, MES was still in the 15-minute range. We were still kind of chopping. So I wasn't paying attention at this point just because we were still chopping, and I didn't realize NQ had broken below again and retested. But, I mean, we were above VWAP, I'm pretty sure. Or, see if I can check that actually. So this is at 835. At 835 was about right here. So we were right around VWAP, and also kind of just chopping through 5 days. So it was just something I didn't want to take. But I guess you can kind of count this one as a missed trade right here. Didn't take that one. Just didn't look it in my opinion. So after that, we broke out a 15-minute range. Had this retest, which I was waiting for. So, I mean, like I said earlier, my bottom of a 15-minute range on NinjaTrader was a little lower. It's about 3 ticks lower, which, man, I didn't notice at the beginning of the day, just because I didn't know there was that much of a difference between NinjaTrader and TradingView. So, it looked a lot better on TradingView because I have both of them pulled up because I have multiple monitors. So, this is I'll show on ES. So, we broke out of it. I mean, this one was just a little breakout, but not much I wanted to play this one on. But this one was much bigger, so I like the retest of this one. EMA was kind of right there. And on NinjaTrader, where I had my 15-minute range earlier, right here, like EMA and that lined up perfectly. So this one honestly looked too good not to take, just because, I mean, look, the rejection off of that is just really nice. And I mean, we've just been chopping all day, so maybe we can have a big move in the afternoon. And since it was afternoon, I did take a smaller size on this one. I only took 2 contracts instead of 4, which I've been recently playing. So 2 contracts, entry, which here's where I messed up. It was a good entry. Well, I'll say this. When I was originally trying to get in, I kept trying to get an error message. This one right here. I tried entering in like 4 or 5 times, which thank God the price didn't move much around here, because I was just trying to enter in. I kept getting this error message, which if any of you know how to fix this actually happened to me a few times, like not just today. So I had to reload NinjaTrader and open it back up again, and thank God the price just stayed right here, because eventually I got in, kind of like right near the, or a little bit below 15-minute range, actually like a point, 5 ticks. So not the best entry, and also I had my stop at 2.5 points originally, but then it came down, so I moved it to 2 points just because I thought it would make sense. And yeah, it went down about 4 or 5 points before coming back up, and then I said I moved my stop to 2 points, which is right at this high right here, and ended up getting ticked out. So I mean, there should have been a different way I should have played this, or if I played the entry to the best of my ability, my NinjaTrader wouldn't have messed up. I would have had a better stop. So if that would have happened, I should have got an entry up here. I mean, even if I had my entry up here with like 2 point stop, I don't think I would have been stopped out. So I mean, even if I got in, let's say 45, 53, 50, my stop would be 55, 50. So I would have got stopped out with the 2 point stop if I entered in right here. But anyways, I should have had I keep telling myself to have a 3 point stop for the 15-minute range, but I keep changing it. So I had a 2 point stop, and I was scared to put it to 3 point stop. Like, I don't know why I'm scared of 1 point, which is $10 for this move. Like, 1 point isn't anything. I mean, I was planning to take profit down at this pivot point down here, because you see we retested, and I was looking for it to come down here, but also come down to maybe this low from Tuesday. So this is the hour chart for ES. I was looking to come down here, maybe take initials right here, and then target here for like maybe my runner. But I wanted to see how price was. We didn't even end up touching the pivot point, so I was hoping just to get runner, initial profit, but I didn't. Which I don't know. I'm still thinking about like holding them longer, so I don't know. I don't know how this trade really should have worked out, to be honest. I mean, I wish I would have taken profit. I wish I didn't get stopped at right here. I should have had a 3 point stop, so I should have still been in this trade. Take some profit right here, and then maybe break even on the day. I don't really think I should have taken this trade in the morning on NQ, just because MES didn't look good at the time. So just not a very good day, to be honest. But lots to learn from. I think from now on, I just need to have a 3 point stop for 15-minute range trades. And yeah, also I think after an hour of market open, if we haven't broken out of the 15-minute range, I don't think I'm going to be looking for trades inside of it. That's only if we're still chopping in the range for an hour. Like today, I realized we opened up at 7:30. Once at 8:30, we were still kind of chopping in the range. I was like, okay, I'm not going to look for any more setups. So I think that, which I mean, I've been recently thinking about that keeping my stop at 3 points, and then not much I can do about that error. That was just it's just unexpected. I don't really know how to change that. I just have to reload it quicker. I know how to fix it next time. And yeah, that's about it. Down $80, so officially red on the week. Only about $50. So I mean, we can easily make that back with literally 1 win. So nothing I'm too worried about. Tomorrow's Friday, so low-key praying I get a trade, because I need some more action. I'm fiending. I'm addicted to the markets right now. So I mean, don't expose myself too much, but see y'all tomorrow.